Today I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicates in columns using VBA macros. So I got 3 worksheets here, sheet number 1, sheet number 2, number 3. In sheet number 1 I got the employee complement, the name of the employee, the job title of employees, and the department. And there are columns here. There are data here which are having duplicates in these columns, the name, job title, and department. I'm gonna highlight the duplicates in these columns. And in sheet number 2 I got the parts list, part description, one column, another column, part numbers. There are duplicates in these columns also, so I'm gonna highlight the duplicates. And in sheet number 3 I got 2 columns. This is the list of tasks, survey, feasibility study, etc., and the status column, completed, ongoing, etc. So I also am gonna highlight the duplicates in these columns, okay, in this worksheet. And also I'm gonna do it in another workbook. This is highlight duplicates in column workbook. So I'm gonna go, I have already opened another workbook, so I just move to another workbook, control plus tab. This is another workbook, filter top 5 cells, the name of the workbook, okay, or the files. And I'm gonna duplicate here, okay, all the duplicates here. I'm gonna highlight them. So I'm gonna go back to the previous workbook, control plus tab. Alright, so I'm gonna show you highlight the duplicates by using VBA macro, and I'm gonna write the VBA codes in the VBA macro. So I'm gonna access this by Alt plus F11. So I'm gonna insert. Okay, as you can see, I have 2 workbook open already, filter top 5 cells .xlsm, all macro enabled, and also another workbook, highlight duplicates in column. So I'm gonna insert the module 1. Okay, then I'm gonna close this project explorer for us to be able to see more clearly the codes that I'm gonna write. So I'm gonna name my macro, okay, I'm gonna name my macro highlight duplicates. So highlight duplicates, enter. Then my variable is RNG as range, okay, enter. And then I'm gonna set the RNG equals selection. So I'm not gonna select the range of the worksheet in order for me to be able to highlight the duplicates. I'm just gonna select them and then highlight the duplicates. Okay, that's why I set the RNG equals selection. And then RNG dot format conditions, format conditions dot add unique values, add unique values. Okay, I'm gonna use the width for this, with RNG dot format conditions so format conditions, open parenthesis, RNG dot format conditions, format conditions dot count, then close parenthesis, then I'm gonna dot set the first priority, then another dot dup unique equals XL duplicate. By the way, what is dup unique? Dup unique refers to a property in data processing or programming, specifically in Excel API or application programming interface, to communicate and share data or functionality without needing to understand each other's internal implementation. So that is the dup unique. Then another dot interior dot color, because we're gonna highlight it with color, and I'm gonna use the yellow color, so I'm gonna say interior color, then I'm gonna use XL, okay, equals rather VB, Visual Basic yellow. Alright, then I'm gonna end the width, then end width. That's it. So this is the code that we're gonna use to highlight all the columns in the two workbooks. So I'm going back to Excel. Here I'm gonna highlight the name, the mechanic, the name, the job title, and the department here. So I'm gonna select, as I've said, set RNG equals selection. Remember that? Okay. Okay, by the way, before I forget, I'm gonna go to the options. I'm gonna assign a I'm gonna use H, Control plus H for our keyboard shortcut key in the keyboard. Click OK. I'm gonna cancel this. So Control plus H. Okay, some are already highlighted, so I'm going back to the top. So I got Bobby Brown, Nikki White. Okay, another with Nikki White, Mike Woods highlighted, Mike Woods here, Bobby Brown here, Jack Stafford, definitely there's a Jack Stafford. Okay, in the second column I got few words got highlighted, like the HR manager. Okay, also engineering managers got highlighted, supply chain manager, engineering manager here, HR managers highlighted, project coordinator, say. On the third column, the department, okay, I'm gonna show you supply chain, fire and safety, admin, supply chain again, fire safety. Okay, so the duplicates are highlighted. So let's go to sheet number 2. Again, we're gonna make a selection, because in our code we say RNG equals to selection, right? Set RNG range selection. So Control plus H, connecting rod bearing here. So also the part number is duplicated, 421536. Okay, upper suspension arm, also the part number 321748, suspension upper suspension arm 321748. Okay, drive belt, flywheel. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's go to sheet number 3. Okay, I'm gonna highlight. Even if you highlight only one column, still only the highlighted column will be highlighted. Okay, the selected column will be highlighted. Control plus H. Okay, I can do it at the same time. You can do it one at a time. It's up to you, but of course you have to do it one at a time, rather all at the same time, okay, to make it quicker. So Control plus H. So see, you got survey completed here, survey completed here, feasibility study ongoing, feasibility study ongoing, okay, etc. Okay, now we have done the sheet number 1, sheet number 2, sheet number 3, all in the same workbook, highlighted, highlight duplicates in column here, top here. Okay, now I'm going to the next workbook, the one that I have already also opened, Control plus Tab. Okay, then I'm gonna highlight this. Okay, then Control plus H. Right, already highlighted. Even when there is an existing, existing color, background color, okay, it will still highlight the yellow. So sprocket, idler, cutting edge, another cutting edge here, etc. Okay, so okay, Control Tab, going back to the original, highlight duplicates in columns. So this is it for today's exercise. I hope you like it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed, the exercise. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.